So we're here at Whitehouse Machine Tools today, running our Productivity Meets Precision event with partners Whitehouse Machine Tools and Open Mind Technology.
Hi, I'm Jordan from the Bowers Group. We're here today with our precision metrology equipment. So we have a range of Bowers bore gauges. We also have some application gauging as well. And we're also showcasing our brand new Beatty Velo field of view vision machine.
Hello everyone, I am Fikriye Sarıyer Yokca. I am from Tezmaksan Robot Technology BV from Netherlands. And we are having a fantastic event here. Also, we have our CubeBox Robot Automation Solutions system. We have software RoboCam Plus, which is really flexible and user-friendly to operate your different workpieces, make tanding, measuring, cleaning, deburring, and different workpieces in different drawers. To make you have cost savings in your production facility.
I'm Gio from Amore. It's been great to support the Whitehouse and Tungaloy open house today. We've supported it with the Amore bar, supplying all of the guests with Moccador premium coffee and even some Peretti beers. Really appreciate the support from Pete and Rob for having us here this week. It was a really busy day and really enjoyed to be back in the engineering space meeting old friends.
Really pleased to report a successful open house event here at Whitehouse Machine Tools. We've had a really good attendance, some really nice end users that have got a lot from the day, not just about looking at machine tools, but about looking at the peripheral equipment that goes with machine tools. And we're going to be planning the next one early in 2026.